What's up, YouTube? Just making a short video on my day today. I pulled out about $300 today on oil. Well, no, on gold and silver longs, and I was long the Dow and the NASDAQ, but I pulled out everything except for the NASDAQ. Pretty soon we'll be reaching the highs on all those on the indexes, and I'll probably be shorting again. And then pretty soon I suspect we'll see a little correction in silver and gold, and I'll enter in long again. Since I use so much leverage, I have to close things out on a short, well, I don't have to on a short-term basis. If I was really bullish on the stock markets, I would be long, but I'm really not. I got stuck in some shorts that I'm trying to get out of, so I've been covering and then just going long. And then when there's a big up or down day, or when my indicator suggests that, whenever we're at the high or the low end of the market, I usually just follow the VIX and some other indicators. I'll start shorting again heavily, and then whatever profit I make on that, I'll take out some of those shorts from way back when. I'm stuck in some oil shorts right now, so I can't wait to get out of those. I may just close them out at a loss. I only really got those as a hedge against my US dollar, Canadian dollar short. I was shorting the US dollar against the CAD. Now the Canadian dollar is starting to strengthen again, so I just want to close out those oil shorts. And just, if oil comes back down to 50, 55, probably go long again. I don't know when the bust or recession is going to come, but I do know Europe is in recession, or at least Germany is, and parts of Europe like Spain, Italy, France, I think. Although they may not technically be, but they're pretty close. I think the UK is pretty close to recession, but until we get closer to recession there, I won't short the markets there. And I suspect the Federal Reserve and most world banks will start flooding the markets with money again. You have to close those shorts out and go long whatever it is, probably gold and silver, and maybe oil stocks or oil shares if you have access to them. I don't really have access to them right now, so if I did, I'd be buying the Canadian oil companies right now, the blue chip ones mostly, and maybe some of the ones that pay high dividends, the trusts. But the big U.S. and Canadians, I like the Canadian ones better. You get the natural reserves really cheap there. Plus you get exposure to the Canadian dollar, which I think is going to start rallying again. Just another trade idea for people who want to short something. Shorting the Australian dollar against the U.S. dollar will give you exposure to the housing crisis there. As housing prices come down, I expect the Reserve Bank of Australia to lower interest rates, flood the markets with the Australian dollars. And it'll probably keep going down against dollar. It had a really bad week last week. This week, earlier in the week, it's been going up now. So I don't know, another 100 pips. You might want to short from there, like 71. A little bit of construction going on. Anyways, just some short notes what I've been doing trading wise. I've been going to school here in Peru. Actually, I've been having good results. I don't know why, but for whatever reasons, how they teach here, it's really been effective for me. It's really helped me out, brush up on my Spanish, and it's only an hour and a half. What I like about it is you're not in class all day trying to learn a whole bunch of stuff fast. You learn it little by little, which is why I like. I'm really picking up on my listening skills, comprehension skills, but my spelling skills just totally suck. But it's nice because every day I feel like I'm learning more and more. So when I return to Guatemala, I'll have a lot better understanding of Spanish, or at least I think so. Anyways, I may go to the Migracion this week and give you guys an update on what you'll need if you want to become a resident here. I've been kind of reluctant to do that because I was in these trades, and until I get on, I don't really want to concentrate on doing other things. But anyways, if I go down to Migracion, I'll let you know what you need. It's really not that hard. It's just tedious, But anyways, if I do that, I'll let my viewers know what you need to become a resident here. It's really not much. But you do have to live here full time, more or less, if you want to get the passport. Anyways, like, share, subscribe, and again, leave a comment.